Welcome guys, welcome to another day, another car vlog. Today we're gonna show you a little bit. We just arrived in London, so we discussed with somebody because I would like to show you some cars. Let me do it bigger in the perspective. It's much easier like that. So this is what we have today. They have nice beautiful cars inside. I remember I've been here I think 1 or 2 years ago, and at the time I don't remember what car I've seen, but I had that Jaguar and I was hoping that I can sell it, which unfortunately was very hard to sell because this is London area and most of the cars here are ULEZ cars, so they must comply with the regulations. So let's go inside and let's have a look to see what we have. So if I'm not talking all the time, it's only because I'm trying to show you what is around. Yeah, I talked to one of your colleagues to see the AMG, the 5.5, the ML65, ML63. Mm-hmm.
White one.
Yeah.
The white one.
That one
Yeah.
is there.
That side is there, yeah? Thank you very much. So I'm gonna cut a little bit from the video, guys. So what is not important, I'm gonna cut. And I'm gonna show you around a little bit. That's the main entry. The guys are lovely. I'm gonna put the link in the description there so you can see. Hiya.
Hello.
And they have an impressive collection of cars. I remember I checked it long time ago. And I know they have some quite rare models, but that's why I advise everybody just to come and have a look, because when you see in real life how the car is, look at this V8, it's much better, you know, it's giving you a different feeling. While it's on the internet, it's a completely different story. But as you know, some of you may know already, this is the ML63, the AMG model, 5.5 V8 biturbo, and if I'm not wrong, this is the car that is burning up flames. ML63. Look at these guys, guys. Look at this car, man. This is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna take some shots as well. This is that kind of place where you want to go and you don't want to go into another place. You just want to go there. You want to have a look on the cars and then just to enjoy them, make some videos with them. Guys, this content of today will be in English because many times I was checking on my statistics and I've seen that many of you are from America, many of you are from England as well, United Kingdom, and many people maybe they don't understand Romanian, so it's much harder to look with subscribe. If you subscribe, I don't want to say that it's much harder to watch a video if you just check for the translation there, you know, it's much more difficult. While if you look at the video and look at the content, it's a different feeling, you know, because it's in English and it's much easier to understand, especially for all the car enthusiasts that I do presume that all of you are. So let's go back to our cars and let's talk about them a little bit. Let's see what else we have in our lovely garage here. Let's do some shots in and out. That's the mirror, so you can see me as well. Cred că 5 locuri, da? Bobiță, te-aș vedea cu undă ăsta.
Da, doar că e cam mare, să zic sincer.
Și vezi că are bordul lăsat, n-ar fi greu atât.
Bordul nu mă deranjează, știi? Bine, probabil nu dai seama că ești în interior. Și fuel, engine, 5, right hand drive.
Right hand drive, da.
Yes. Cât e mașina?
Vreo 17.400. So this one is a 5 Series, a white one, F11, 2011. I think this one has a little bit of mileage, only 60,000 miles if I'm not wrong. The car really looks nice. This one is locked, I don't have the key for it, but it's very nice, it's very clean. Actually, you know, they look much better in real life rather than the photos. That's why I do advise everybody to come to have a look at them, because in real life, it's much easier, you know, you have a feeling, you know, especially when you look at the car, when you go around the car, it's much easier. So this is the warranty package they are offering, AutoGuard. I think they were called before, I don't remember exactly, but now it's Pristine Autos, so I do definitely recommend them. Let's have a look if we are here with this 7 Series. I'm going to open the door carefully so I can show you this beautiful interior. Quite rare combination on a car. There are some invoices. I'm not going to film very close because I don't want to invade the privacy of the previous owners. We have sunroof. That one is the old steering wheel, but this is, I think this one is a large engine if I'm not wrong. This one should be a V8, if it's a 750i. Let's double check. Yeah, I think this is the V8. They are quite rare in the specifications, but it's something that you don't see on all the roads. It's something special. All the details will be posted on the website, and if you want to inquire any other information, definitely you can give them a call. It's not very complicated to reach and come to this place, so just give it a chance, see if it's something in for you. And don't remember, also my car is for sale. I just ordered the screen, the navigation screen, because I need Apple CarPlay, and it's quite difficult for me not to have it, you know, like for Apple, for Waze, for other maps, it's very difficult and very challenging. So these are other cars that they have here in stock. So old ones, they have also some cheap cars, but it's up to your taste, so you can just give it a go. Anyway, it's worth checking the website and see if it's something that is interesting you. Okay, let's go on this side. We'll have also this CLK200 as well, with a beautiful red interior. Very nice, guys. Very nice color combination. This is a very small and beautiful car, which is extremely practicable, especially if you are in London. And this one here is the 3 Series, the classic 3 Series. Beautiful car as well, nice and clean. Look at it. It's nice and it's quite big inside, you know. It's giving you the feeling that it's quite small, but actually when you look at it, it's quite a big car. I think most of the cars have a full service history, but if you want to find out more, definitely you need to go on their website. The company is called Pristine, and all the information will be provided by them on their website or on the call.
Foarte mare.
Da.
Dar e mișto la urmă.
Da.
Foarte bine. Asta e foarte murdare, știi? Dar ea nu e...
Cum?
ca lumea.
Da, îți dai seama. Mare au sens pentru tine?
Bine, da. Vedeai grijă să mă lovești.
În ce ai oglinda?
Vezi că ai și cheie, cred.
Da?
Acolo, bine, dacă poți să lovești.
Îl întreb înainte.
Dar lipsește ceva.
Ăla la...
Da, aici.
Cum îi zice acolo? Guys, we're gonna do a cold start. I just asked for the key.
Vezi, m-am pus cu lumea.
Yeah, you can film from that side. Carefully, because it's a very tight space. And we definitely need to hear this engine, man. I'm trying to be very careful because I'm quite big. I don't want to disturb anyone. Oh my God, man, look at this feeling. This one should be an electric steering wheel, but let's see if I'm able to put it up a little bit. As far as I'm aware, I don't know from what would be the angle. I think this one. Yeah. No, I don't remember. I need to have a look. Guys, be ready for what's coming next, yeah? Just be ready. Let's see, because I'm not used to it. So the key is going into the contact there. That one is with the normal key. Let's see. Are you ready, guys? This is not something that you're gonna hear every day. Oh my God, man, have you heard that? Have you heard that sound, man? It's like a bomb. And imagine this car, it's putting up on flames. Guys, this car is that kind of car that is kind of putting up the flames. I can't even imagine what is the feeling of driving this kind of car. Look at this interior, man. Look at this quality. Look what Mercedes was able to do in 2014. Look at these chairs, man. They are moving around your body. If you do the curve, the chairs will be moving around your body, and you have the sunroof here. Guys, where these type of cars are hidden, this is what we need to see on the streets. Have you heard that engine? It's scaring the shit out of me. Fucking hell, man. What a car, man. What a sound. Oh my God, man. I could stay here just like that all day long, you know, just relaxing. Look at this one, man. I'm not even used to it, no? Yeah, even though it has like 11 years old, you know, like still electric chairs, electric adjustment, absolutely everything, it's electric on this car. That's the code?
Yeah.
112?
Yeah, 112 extra.
112 pounds extra. It's a little bit bigger insurance, but definitely it's something that is worth it. Băubiță cum se aude